This is the 50 Shades of Grey Submit to Me Beginner's Bondage Kit, including a blindfold, dual textured spanking paddle and satin restraints. It has everything you need to indulge in sensual bedroom bondage. Slip the blindfold over your partner's eyes to heighten their senses. Without light or sight, every touch, caress and kiss feels even more intense. Use the satin wrist restraints to keep your lover in place. Tie their wrists and ankles or secure them to the bedposts for comfortable yet effective restraint. The spanking paddle has padded satin on one side and faux leather on the other to give you a variety of sensations. Remember to agree on a safe word together before you start to play. Your safe word can be anything, but you should both know that it means stop. The official 50 Shades of Grey collection, the only range approved by E.L. James.